Hi. What I have in my fridge. Let's see. I'm surprised it's kind of like organized, but probably not to you guys, but to me this is organized. So I have a couple of vegan meals. Shout out to Beyond Vegan Eats. They send me vegan meals. There's like a roasted butternut squash stuffed with barbecue jackfruit, chickpea chicken salad, juices, orange juice, carrot juice, smoothies. So I have like breakfast smoothies and then like all organic like drinks and stuff. It keeps me healthy on the road. It's like a good like supplement. Butter. Yeah, about it. Pretty cool.